Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNAP Snapchat. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Very rough movement on this one today. Opened up with a whole lot of volume, and all that volume was just people exiting the stock as spent the first essentially couple hours just going straight down. Now, granted, the overall markets were also getting hammered during that point. So it's not like the markets were ripping to new highs and Snapchat was going the opposite direction. But still, anyway, look at it. It was a rough start to the day. And now that brings about definitely some key levels to watch going forward. And that first level to keep an eye on, and this is not some sort of great discovery on my part, I assure you people that use charts, understand charts, are watching this area right here at $14.50. And I bring all that up about a lot of people watching this level because when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic movements, and that's what we have for right here at $14.50. You have everybody from the longs to the shorts all watching that level and wondering, you know what? If the price does go back down there, is it going to act as support like it's done in the past? Because so far so good, to give credit where credit's due. The bulls have done a good job of stepping up there. Or is the price going to crack down through that area? And in that event, that could very well create a much bigger movement to the downside, which is why I want to get the next level of support mapped out. Not saying that'll happen, but in the event it does, the next key level of support that you would want to keep an eye on would be down there at $14.40. So with a break of $14.50, like I said, no such thing as a guarantee, but there really just isn't anything else on the chart support-wise that potentially could stop it from at least going down to $14.40, if not even lower than that. But as of now, like I said, I don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves because $14.50 has done a good job of holding. But if that doesn't hold up, the next key level to watch down there at $14.40. In the event, though, this is some sort of bottom that's forming because you got to give, once again, credit. After the price got hammered, at least the price just started to go sideways. Now, just going sideways doesn't mean that this is for sure the bottom, but it's at least a plausible and rational thought to have. So if it is the bottom and the price starts to bounce back upwards, key level of resistance to now keep an eye on is going to be that pink line there, which is the 200-period moving average, and that's currently valued at $14.91. So definitely a rough start to the week, but the good news is the week is young, still 4 days left, so we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.